plug it out, stretch it out a little bit, get her running. She ain't ran in a while. Idling still a little bit low. It's skipping, but then you get these new plugs and that should be good. A little bit of a miss in it.
You should go down Kevin's alley. It's probably back there.
Yeah. Chugging.
Yeah.
Go by wheels now. A little wishy-washy, but like a transmission might need to be fixed. Steering's loose. God. Quarter rotation. You gotta drive this daggone thing.
Oh, I do. Can I?
It's gonna take a minute.
I was gonna say, I don't want it to die on me.
No, it's not gonna die. It's just, it's not running smooth. It's missing a little bit. But
I'm pretty sure I'd nail it harder than you have. You smiled so big. Oh wait, I'm gonna show what the neighbor bought. What the neighbor traded for. Is that Vicky?
nah.
You're
Feels
gonna
like I
scare
got
him though.
transmission mount loose, but that's that knocking feeling.
Yeah. Don't be scared, whoever you are. It's our house right there. Who's scared? Is that Kevin's lights going?
Yeah. That's that other house. Power steering smooth.
Talk about it.
Love it. We're just gonna have to do a little tuning up on it. Get new plugs. Go through it. But it's not running hot.
Alright.
Good
Kevin?
old pressure. Russell Brothers Garage.